This is the CB110 Cadence Sensor from Sunny Health Fitness. Make your equipment smart with this small but powerful device. It tracks your workout and measures your progress by taking rotational motion and translating it into precise metrics. Attaching it takes seconds, and you can use it on a variety of indoor exercise machines, making it extremely versatile. Mount the sensor to an outdoor bike to monitor your speed, distance, and so much more. Travel through wet and muddy conditions with peace of mind. Connect via Bluetooth and log into the SunnyFit app to access your personal health center. Choose from over 1,000 free workouts from certified trainers and join our vibrant, passionate community. Find your rhythm and maximize your workout. The CB110 Cadence Sensor from Sunny Health Fitness.